They were then used as strategic reconnaissance aircraft. And would you believe, as tanker aircraft? This aircraft itself was modified for the tanker role. After the Falklands War, it must be said. Just an enormous, but somehow incredibly graceful aeroplane. Coming in towards us to perform a spiral climb in the crown centre. You can see the original nuclear deterrent aircraft were painted all white all over to protect them against the flash of a nuclear detonation. But in the strategic reconnaissance role, they took on the grey-green camouflage. And indeed, for the Falklands War, they were painted grey-green all over. You can see this is camouflage top and bottom.